Hello artists, welcome to Monet Cafe Studio and the new teaching theme for the month of May 2026. I'm calling this month's teaching theme, Less Pastels, More Power. And I've got some pastel lessons lined up for you that will not only be teaching you how to create pastel artworks with a limited palette of pastels, but I'll also be featuring some smaller sets of pastels that I think are great for completing paintings within themselves. And I think it's going to be great for beginners, but really artists of all levels. I find that when we limit our palette, we often create more cohesive and beautiful results than when we have so many pastel colors to choose from. So I've already got lessons lined up and the pastel products I'm going to be sharing. Also, the last week of this month, I'm going to be featuring a small set that I really like, and the company has gifted me one of their sets as well, and I'm going to be having a product giveaway. So be sure to stay tuned for the lessons on the YouTube channel, and patrons on my Patreon page. I already have a game challenge for you, and I have all the lessons all lined up so you can see it. I'll get you that graphic soon, but it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to seeing your work and just sharing these lessons with you this month. So come join the fun in the month of May. Less pastels, more power. All right, happy painting.